Hey guys, good Tuesday morning to you. Mrs. Shelton here. We are going to continue working on activity 11, making polymers today. As you know, yesterday you should have completed the Get Started section in your remote learning packet. For those of you that are at home, if you were having difficulty making a copy of the Making Polymers remote learning packet, no worries. Google actually was down yesterday and it was forcing an error. You can now make a copy, so feel free to do so. Please remember that you should have the Get Started component of this activity done. For those of you that are at home, what that means is following the procedure under Getting Started, okay, watching the video, and drawing using the drop and drag interactive tools, the molecule that you first made. We now are ready to do part A of the activity in the remote learning packet. So if you take a look, what you completed yesterday, which I just went over with you, was this interactive activity underneath the Get Started section. So you've now watched the video. You've completed the interactive activity by dropping and dragging these particles in order to create a molecule. You've read about what happens when we add monomers together to create polymers. We have looked at the different types of polymers that are used to make common plastics, and you've read the introduction as well as the guiding question to activity 11 in your student book. That means that we are on to do the activity, which is part A. For those of you that are at home, I need you to read the procedure steps 2 through 9 in your student book, then watch the video. Make sure that you pause the video as it tells you to do so that you can record your observations on the data sheet, which is student sheet 11.1, comparing properties of starting and final substances. You can find that data table down here if you scroll right here. Okay, so this is what you're going to be completing as you work through part A today. You're going to be comparing the properties of the starting and final substances. So you're going to be looking at polyvinyl alcohol, or PVA, sodium borate, and then the final substance, which is what you end up with when you've added these two together. Okay, so again, you should have the Get Started component of activity 11 completed at this point in time. Now, today, your focus is on part A. We will pick up with the rest of this tomorrow. Have a great day.